20 to 25 minutes, I'll be taking you through what exactly is a data platform and what is our fresh approach to building our own data platform. And I'll talk about few key components of our data platform. One is the unified customer record, and next is the custom objects. So you must be knowing all these three different car brands right here: Skoda, Audi, and Volkswagen. Did you know that all three of them belong to the same Volkswagen's group? I didn't know that before, and it was a discovery for me. And did you also know that they all are built on the same MQB platform? So this MQB platform is what powers all of them, but they are of different makes and builds on top of the MQB platform, right? So this MQB platform is what actually enables Volkswagen's group to build or launch different cars so quickly, and also cater to their ever-changing and reacting needs of their customers, right? Similarly, our data platform, our native data platform at Freshworks, powers all the products of Freshworks, empowering all the solutions across sales, marketing, and the support agents at Freshworks using all our Freshworks tools like Fresh Marketers, Fresh Sales, and Freshdesk. What exactly is a data platform? So a data platform is a centralized system that collects large volumes of data. It actually processes the data for storage and then makes this data available across different systems so that all the products can use it and play with it and successfully execute all the business needs of their customers, right? You can ask me, hey Bindu, so yeah, we know what a data platform is. What's so fresh about your Freshworks approach to building a data platform of your own? Why do you even need it, right? Our data platform at Freshworks is a scalable, reliable, and performant data platform that has all good capabilities that we just talked about that a good data platform should consist of, but its uniqueness is that it's extremely flexible and customizable so that each of our customers can bring in their own data sources, they can define their own data schema and also their own data languages, and then they can use all our products in a self-serve and customizable way, right? So we don't sell it as a standalone offering. It is inbuilt within all products of Freshworks. So all the functionalities the business users of Freshworks see are powered by the data platform. All the activities that takes milliseconds and that actions that happen within no time are powered by our data platform, right? I'll now use the next 10 to 15 minutes talking about what are the different components or the platform services that make the data platform that powerful and our products that powerful with respect to all the data that our customers are believing in us, right? So let me also talk about the different stages of the data platform. So with the data platform, we have three different stages here. One is the data schema definition, two is the data ingestion, and the three is the data persistence, and four is the data activation. So any data platform, very well architected data platform, right? It has different platform services. It's not just a standalone platform service, but ours is a combination of different platform services. Our data schemas are spread across different needs of the customers, right? One is the customizable customer data platform, and two, if you talk about customer defined platform, you have a customizable customer data schema that is powered by our UCR, and then we have the customizable data schema that is powered by custom objects. I'll get into detail in the next few slides. Now combining with this is the product data across our products. Like in Freshdesk, we have the tickets, contacts and companies as objects, and in Fresh Sales, we have deals, leads, accounts as objects. Similarly, all the customizable objects that a business has can be brought into the Freshworks software products and then clubbed all these events together using our data platform and then activate them using the meaningful workflows and all the robust capabilities that our products can support, right? At the second stage, which is the ingestion and persistence stage, for data ingestion, we have our own homegrown product called iPaaS, which is our integration platform solution. And then at the third stage, we have a low latency data persistence store. We use an open source platform for that. And then when you see all the powerful use cases that can be built by the data platform, like activity timeline, segmentation, performing list view on set of records, and performing search, deriving insights, all of that will be done by our data platform. So let's get deep into two of these that we see here. One is the unified customer record and the another one is the custom objects. So in today's world, what do you think is most important for any business to grow? Any business. Let's say you just go and start a business on your own. What do you think is most important? Yeah? Customers, customers, customers. So customers are the heart of any business. As a business, if you want to grow, you need to know your customers in and out. How much you know, that beneficial you would be. And that personalized, you can make your customer engagement, right? So in today's digital world, let's talk about reality. Is it really possible to get that customer information very well? As a customer, if you see, every day you use multiple apps. So for a business, if you interact or engage with the business in multiple ways, with a plethora of channels that are available. You interact via social media, you go to the website and engage with their website, you interact with them via phone, through SMS, many modern based applications that are available here that businesses use on a daily basis. So for a business to make sense out of all the customer data that is there, all the website information, transactional information and the behavioral information, they have to collate all of it and form a unified view of the customer. In reality, are the businesses able to do it on their own? Not really. As the problem statement, as complex it sounds, there are multiple data sources, multiple touch points and multiple complex workflows that they need to work in order to make sense of this data. So that is where UCR comes into picture. As a data platform, we are offering this platform capability for all our products, where we are helping all our products to actually source all the customer data from different touch points of the customers and form a unified view of the customer. So our UCR is a predefined customer data schema with extensibility of up to 700 profile fields that can be maintained on top of the customer data, and then it is very scalable and extensible to all our products. So any business user using our Fresh Sales, Fresh Marketer or Fresh Desk will be able to see a unified view of the customer. So let me give you a quick example here, right? Let's take a hypothetical example of an e-commerce company, Awesome Mobiles. So Awesome Mobiles is an upcoming or growing e-commerce company that's selling all cool mobiles and gadgets and electronic devices to the customers, right? So what happens is, my friend Tom, who is a software engineer and he's a gadget enthusiast, he has been seeing these boardings everywhere of iPhone 14 and he's itching to upgrade his device to iPhone 14. Now what happens is, he goes to the website, does all the activities, researches about iPhone, all the specification, talks to his friends, researches on everywhere where he can find reviews about it, and then thinks about it and places that in the cart, right? Because of the huge price and the pocket, everything, he is still waiting to take a decision on that. What now happens is, what UCR does is, it collects all these activity points, right, and then purges the product. It enables the product with all the information of Tom, and it enables them to send out a marketing campaign saying that, hey Tom, you can have an exclusive 8% discount on iPhone 14. Go and make that purchase now. Tom is delighted. He just goes and buys that phone and he's eagerly waiting to show off the phone to all of his friends. So what did just happen? So Tom does not know that all his activities have been tracked. So Tom's activities have been tracked by UCR as events, and all this information is cleansed up and it is provided to the product, and the marketer who is using our Freshworks product, the Tom's profile will go into a particular segment, and then it sends a personalized email to Tom that it's specifically meant for him. Tom is a delighted customer. He will stay with this platform for quite some time, and tomorrow any purchases will be made from this website because he knows that he'll get exclusive deals from it. So let's take a closer picture of what exactly happens in the behind, right? I have a pictorial representation for you for showing different stages that a data goes through inside the UCR. So here you see all the data, the engagement data, identity information, transactional information, and the web activity of Tom is collected by UCR. So its first stage is that it collects the data and deduplicates the data. So it collects the data, it deduplicates the data and forms a unique profile for Tom, collecting all the data points from Tom's profile, right? And then what it does is, it doesn't just cook the meal and keep it underneath. It serves it. It serves with rich insights. So all the products using UCR as a data platform, they will be getting all the insights about Tom. Is he a lifetime value customer? What is exactly his worth of products that he's already purchased with our website, right? And what are his interests? And what is his usual average cart value? All these rich insights will be surfaced to the products, so that products can actually put Tom in different segments. So one such segment can be all the customers who have logged in and who have added products into the cart, but they are not making that purchase. So that is when our segmentation comes into picture, and they will be able to, so that is when segmentation comes into picture, and then the marketer or the salesperson that is using Freshdesk products, they can send an email campaign to Tom through different channels. If he is active on WhatsApp, that will be known through UCR to the product. So he gets the message through WhatsApp. So where all the customers of businesses are there they receive the email campaign or messages on any product that is of interest to them, right? So taking a deeper look of how it does. So all the activities of Tom are sourced as events into UCR, and then UCR takes this and sends to the product in this form. All the activity 1, website visit and sign up, activity 2, web chat for iPhone 14 with an agent, and then clicks on an email, reads reviews and compares, and then adds to the cart. That is when Tom is being, a unified profile of Tom is being created, and then rich insights on Tom's profile are made, and then a segment is formed along with the identifying unique users like Tom with all the granular behavioral patterns, and then the customized email will go to Tom, or the customized message will go to Tom's WhatsApp, right? This is what happens in the background. So these are some screenshots of our actual product, Fresh Sales Suite in the Fresh Marketer, where you see the activity timeline of Tom here, right? All the activities from logging in till receiving an OTP, and what all has Tom done in a chronological fashion. Then on the right you see segmentation, where all the activities performed by the Tom on the order management tool, they can slice and dice the data and have predefined segments on the users so that they can send hyper personalized email campaigns. And then comes the customer user journey. Wherever the customer is there in the whole user journey for this e-commerce tool, the pre-built customer journeys can be made so that whenever a customer is in a phase where they didn't purchase any product, they just logged into website, they will be receiving an email within 3 days. In the next 10 days, if they didn't make any purchase, they will be receiving another email. Hey, are you there? What do you like in our categories of products? So they never leave you. So you know that, right? You get all these messages and you feel like it's a spam. But you make that one purchase with an exclusive discount that is made for you, then you feel like that website is genuine and I'll keep using that website for purchasing any product, right? So that is where UCR helps with getting a 360-degree view of the customer data for all the businesses using our Freshworks products. So now let's change gears and talk about the second part of the story, which is another key part of our data platform. So just the 360-degree view of the customer information is not enough. The businesses also store other related information. For example, the telephone company or any e-commerce company will store their order related information inside another order management tool. They will store their inventory related information in another inventory management system. So they use 10 different other applications to store different types of data, right, that are critical to the business. So now the customers, whenever, for example, when Tom received the phone, he was excited and he takes the phone, uses it for 2 days and then realizes that it's a defective piece. Now he immediately reaches out to the support and expects that the phone should be replaced within 2 days, right? When he reaches to the support agent is expected to get back to Tom within few minutes. Ideally, we all expect that, right? Whenever an order goes wrong with Swiggy, we expect a refund within few minutes. In the same way, Tom expects that all his problems with the defective piece should be solved within a day at least, right? But the agent has to switch context. He has to log into the order management tool in order to get more contextual information on the order and then come back, check the inventory management tool, check if the device is available or not, and then respond back to the Tom saying that, hey, we have a device available and we'll be issuing the replacement in a day or two, right? All of this to happen, it will take days together, right? Whereas with our custom objects, we are solving this problem and we are allowing businesses to bring all the context that they want right inside our Freshworks products. This is being powered by custom objects. Custom objects is our data platform solution, right? So what it does is that if the screen that you see here is of a product that is powered, the Freshdesk that is powered by custom objects. So Tom has raised a request asking for a replacement and the agent has the order related information right in this little widget right here. In the same way, they can store inventory information right here in another widget. So no context switch, no logging into different tabs, no switching tools. They can find all the information right within Freshdesk powered by custom objects. So how does custom object do it? So what it does is, all the business users who are non-coders like you, it allows them to go and define an orders object right within the product that they're using. So they can just go ahead and they can create an object with a schema saying orders is the object name, order ID is the primary field, order details, what all the products that they can order, all these fields up to 100 custom fields they can create on orders. So what all fields that they're maintaining for orders in their order management tool, they can create the same within Freshdesk also, right? In the way how you define a foreign key in order to build a relationship between two tables, right? Similarly, here we have a concept called lookup where it helps define a relationship between this orders object and other native objects that are available in the Freshdesk as a support tool. So Freshdesk natively offers tickets, contacts, companies as objects because it's a support tool and they are the crucial objects that it can maintain. What custom objects does is, with the help of lookup, it allows to tie orders to tickets object so that the users using, the business users like agents, support admins using Freshdesk, they can see the information right within the Freshdesk software. Whenever an agent receives a ticket, it's along with the order related information and any contextual information that is required by the agent to solve the ticket right then and there. So with the help of our custom objects within our product, Tom receives the resolution within 1 minute, and the replacement is done within 1 day. How delighted he'll be. He'll never stop using awesome mobiles, right? In the same way, all the businesses using a Freshdesk as a support tool powered by custom objects are delighted equally, and they are seeing all the value of it delivered through custom objects, right? So in our presentation, we have seen all the robust capabilities of custom objects. It also allows automations and native capabilities like search and access permissions as well. So whenever a ticket is raised with an order value of greater than 10,000 rupees, they can customize it in such a way that it gets assigned to a high priority agent group, right? So that it can be acted within few minutes, so that the customer stays as long lifetime customers of that particular business. So with all these robust capabilities that our data platform has, with its unique platform solutions like unified customer record and custom objects, Freshworks is setting itself as a differentiator for all the products out there, and is leading with the help of the powerful engineering team that we have at Freshworks. So I'm almost reaching to the end of my presentation. Before that, I want to talk about our Freshworks Developer Summit that is happening on 21st June, right here in Bangalore. You can scan this QR code to know more details, or you can find us at the booth 4 that is there near the entrance, right? I hope this is of valuable information to you. Thank you so much, everyone.